What's up famous, Wyf CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we're going to be reacting to my USO remix by Junez, Joe and Fidatrix. So we're just looking at the description and it says that they're going to be rapping in the languages that they learned on their mission. So it's Filipino, Fijian and Samoan. So pretty keen.
PolyMovement fans, follow, subscribe to Fidatrix on YouTube please, and follow the guys, the bros on Instagram. Yeah, I have it down in the description box for you guys to check out. Also please support by watching the videos, try and get their views up, and the subscribe would help. Yeah, big time. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time watching, thank you so much for joining and watching, appreciate it heaps. And if you want to consider subscribing, please consider subscribing by clicking on my face over there, my logo, or clicking subscribe down below, as well as clicking on the bell to keep you notified on when I upload videos. Fam, would appreciate it heaps. Yeah, thank you to those that requested this as well. Let's get to the track. And also they me YouTube ko me yung uniform no.
So I love you. Sa tuwing ika'y nakita, nawawala ang pag-alala kas tayo ang magkasama sa lahat ng buhay. Kahit anong pagsubok o paghihirap ng pinagdaanan, lagi ka nandiyan para magkama. Di ako pinabayaan pag ikaw ay tinawagan. Kahit noon sa panahon ng kabataan, di makalimutan, inalagaan mo ako, kaya gusto ko ipaalam sa iyo. Mahal kita kuya at hindi magbabago yan. Kahit saan ka man pumunta, samahan kita lagi sa inyong puso. Pagbagyo o digmaan, huwag kang mag-alinlangan, lagi lang tandaan nito, kasi kung may gusto.
Oh, not the ass.
Gusto may paraan, kung ayaw meron dahilan at tunayan na naman. Bago ko matapos, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Diyos, so sing it with me na. That's my kuya, that's my kuya, that's my kuya, that's my kuya,
my friend was
kuya, yeah, that's my puso, sa aking puso, that's my puso, I love you.
Now you can talk.
Yeah, so my friend, he's Filipino as well, he uses kuya. I don't know if it meant like brother or something. Yeah, and mahal kita, I think that means I love you. I like everyone knows that.
And while you're on the showing off buzz.
Yeah, and also, yeah, let's go.
Wow, the 2 words and she's Mimika is.
Oh, Ninja.
Iyo, itavingo kena toa kangu, ke mundo tiko ngana nongo wana nangu. Ye ngauna keve maroretu elo mangu, munda tau elo mani sai nongu yavu. Italina naki, ngauna tiko watakina setu weya waki. Sengani rawa meuna tarawa na venga rabi. Mandewa nduna kase via wakara rabi. Auna lako yani, ongo enduna sereni waka vinaka. Maswa ve mongi kau maswa ve mataka. Mona tango maki ena nomo dhaka dhaka. Tuwa keve iko sana tuwa naka. Ka keve iko naso tavana nomo mbula. Rarama mai na singa se tautu mai na udha. Senga waka ndungi wina kata mona mbiu. Au na wuke iko mona toso makili. Hey wuke na ita vingu ito kangu ita vingu Paulabale mafukanga mai lavale amakanga ikulanga mafana mala mafakianga ole wo yaso oma auso yaso vale kele fia va aise isi fia ula vale mai ila makofale ango malo ukoko se so okanga silinga pele ilo oloko ile ainga ele mafaila na fa angalo wina penge masaninga ma uso moni O le uso le ngā loko wha maongi Pa o ke le masalo salo O le a iai le alofa wha alo alo Ngā kako wa o wai wha akasi e le ingalo sole Ma toko uso, ko uso toko Ma ue ofa, I hoku loto Ma amo dolo ko toa pē Mei he tamasi I ha moa pē Ko ia pē
You tongue too?
Iyo It's my uso, 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 love you. It's my toko, it's my toko.
Who's the singing? Fidatrix.
Yeah, sounds like Junez. I was quite confused looking at the name Junez.
There's no Chad.
Yeah, Chaz.
The tuning, the one that's singing.
Sounds like Junez. Sounds like Junez.
You
But who
talk
knows?
like you know.
Yeah, now we're besties. Yeah. Stays next door, which you can tell. 4 different languages, fam. Dang, now I wish I understood all of the languages, eh? Like,
Well,
yeah. What do you think about the track Mama B?
it was a like when Standing Music dropped this as audio, it didn't reach as much as when they dropped the video, the remix with Lisi,
Biggs and
Massey Rooks
and Runwala.
So, and then a week after that, they put out their like a template thing for everyone to jump on this remix thing. It was been pretty good.
Yeah, everyone's been jumping on too.
We're thinking of doing a we're thinking of doing a video just reacting to all the artists, the people who did one, but it was just too many. It's too many to do.
It'll be way too long, man.
And this is nice. It's in different languages. It's also Filipino, but all the Fijian. Yeah, it's really nice.
I wish I understood all of the languages there.
Yeah.
And I noticed that they were speaking Tongan like right after the Samoan bit, which was pretty cool.
It's nice that he went, these guys, assuming they're Mormons because they went on a mission and learnt the languages of where they went. Yeah, it's really nice.
That's really smart too.
Samoans doing this. I'm not sure what nationality Junez is, but
Thank you, Samoan.
okay.
Sure.
And this time we got Fidatrix on there.
Yeah, man.
I like the Samoan bit how he was talking about, and now I totally forgot. Yeah. Anyways,
yeah, I totally forgot. I just really like it. I love the harmonies in the chorus.
Yeah.
And I loved how in the chorus they did their own bits in their own different languages, or the languages that they learned. It was a really nice twist to it. I felt like the end bit after they finished singing their verses could have just probably been cut out. Yeah, I felt like it was just.
But it was,
probably like. Yeah.
It was nice.
Would have been nice if they finished that chorus after the thing. But yeah, it was quite nice. I liked it. I'm not being a producer or anything. But yeah, I really liked it. Yeah. The beat hit extra hard, eh? Like, I don't know what it is when it hit the chorus. But yeah. I give it a 8, fam.
Yeah, I give it an 8 too.
Yeah.
8 too. I mean, you can never beat the original.
Yeah, can never.
But you can try and make it your own.
Yeah.
And it was nice.
And I love that they made it their own. Guys are really different with this track. I like it. But yeah, fams. Don't forget, I'll have the information to the track and their socials down in the description box below for you guys to check out. Please subscribe to the Fidatrix channel. Yeah, and just follow them on Instagram and that. I'd appreciate it heaps. Guys, honestly, I don't know what's wrong with my mouth. Coronavirus, something. But yeah, fams. Yeah, much love. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it heaps, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.